Welcome to ERA Steer Bloberg. If you've been looking for the very best in service and real estate results, at ERA Real Estate, we can help you to optimize the sales price of your home, to maximize your property's exposure in the marketplace, to get your home ready to show, to pre-screen prospective buyers, assistance with deed of sale contracts, as well as rental contracts and applications, prospective tenant screening, assisting you with your property transfer process, arranging listing viewings, assistance in reaching agreeable terms between buyers and sellers, as well as determining a reasonable listing price, and assisting you in finding an appropriate property or business that suits your needs. We also take great pride in our more specific service offerings, such as our direct assistance in acquiring a home loan for you at your selected financial institution.
At your request, we will, at no additional charge, arrange all your paperwork, applications and other pertinent details in order to assist you in applying for a home loan. Marketing is also another aspect of our sales process that requires expertise and access to a wide network of potential purchasers, further ensuring that your property is purchased sooner and at the right price. Our focus has always been on delivering quality service and outstanding results by creating an exceptional customer experience.
At ERA Steer Bloberg, we will always strive to provide you with exceptional, preferential service.